Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Caroline, and today I'm so inspired and excited and happy and excited to be recording this video because today I'm doing my dogs pick my makeup, and I have my two dogs with me. One is Chloe and Brownie, and I adore them so much. They are my babies. And first, actually, I saw Kathleenlights video. I will leave it linked in my description box, where she had her 3 dogs for her makeup, and I thought it was so cute. And let me introduce you to my babies, the love of my life, especially my baby boy. His name is Brownie. He's a little chihuahua. Come on. This is Brownie. He's a little chihuahua. He's a little camera shy, and he was the one mostly picking the items. He acts like a little baby. He is my little baby. I spoil him so much. And this is Chloe. She is just shy on her own, but she can get on my last nerve. Like, I love her so much, but she barks all day long. Right, Cokie? You got on your mama's nerves? But I adore her. She's my little girl. She's a little hot right now. Gotta cut all this hair off. Right, Coca? She don't like being on camera. She gets all uncomfortable. So here they are. And before we start the video, remember to subscribe to my channel. The button should be right here. Right, babies? Right here. And give a like to this video. And let's just jump straight into it. Okay, so we're gonna start the video. So first, I wanted to introduce you to my little babies. I have my little Brownie, which is a chihuahua, and my Chloe, which she's so sleepy. I don't know why. She slept all night. She's a Maltese mix, and she looks just ready to start this video. Right, Cokie? Cokie? You ready, Cokie? Brownie's ready. You ready, Brown? Ready? Okay, so I'm starting off the videos with the foundations already on the bed, and I have my Brownie, beautiful Brownie, ready, and Chloe on the corner. She don't want to do nothing. And I have my Milani, my Maybelline, Clinique, L'Oreal, and another L'Oreal foundation. And look at them, they're so excited to start. Okay, baby, so you gotta pick one. Pick one, come on, pick one. Oh, which one is that, Chloe? Which one is that? Let me see. Which one you pick? Come boy, pick one. She's like not touching it, but it's like right under her. So which one you gonna pick, Coca? Come on. Pick one, Coca. Which one? Which one, Cokie? Which one, Cokie? Alright, so the Clinique it is. Chloe picked the Clinique 2-in-1 Beyond Perfecting Foundation. That's the one we're gonna wear today. So before starting anything, I'm just going to prime my face with this Cover FX Illuminating Spray. And I'm going to be using my Benefit Professional Primer on my T-zone. The dogs picked out the Clinique Beyond Perfecting 2-in-1 Concealer Foundation. So actually the foundation fit pretty damn good. Like, okay, foundation. This was my darkest summer shade. I guess I'm already there, and it's only July 1st. That's not a good thing for me because I'm planning to go to the beach every single week. So I'll just end up buying more. That's just feeding the addiction. I have the concealers ready. They look ready. Not really. Look at Chloe, she's so cute. So I have the Maybelline concealer, the Fiona Stiles, the Wet n Wild. I got my Tarte Shape Tape, and my ColourPop. So let's see which one they pick. Alright, Cokie, you have both paws on both concealers. Which one are you gonna pick? Which one, Gurky? Do you guys see that? She's laying on the Fiona Stiles. So the Fiona Stiles concealer, they actually picked out this Fiona Stiles Light Illusion concealer. So I'm just gonna apply this to my under eyes. have loose setting powder. So we're starting from here, and I have my Kat Von D, this banana powder, which I have to check the name. I'll put it here on the screen. I have my Morphe, I have my dipbrow, and I have my ColourPop. Let's see which one they pick. Pick one. Let's pick one. Did you guys see that? She's sitting right next to the Kat Von D. So the Kat Von D powder it is. So for face powder, they actually picked out this Kat Von D translucent locket translucent powder. So I'm gonna be baking my face with that. Let me just blend out them creases. So for bronzer, I didn't let the dogs pick it out because trust me, they're being so difficult. So I wear this bronzer all the time anyway. So this is the balm Bahama Mama bronzer, and this is what the shade looks like. Now it's time for some blushes. So I'm just setting it down for them. This is my Pacifica brush, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Jordana, Wet and Wild. Move over, move. Chloe, move over. And I have this Tarte one as well. Alright, Brown, which one are you gonna pick? He's like so done. He's like, let me out of here. Look at his little tongue. So which one are you gonna pick, boy? Pick, come on. Pick one, Koki. Pick one, Koki. Koki, you're choosing like 3. Come on. Get up, boy. You gotta come here. They're like so careful not to step on anything. Come on. Come here, Mia. Pick a blush. Pick a blush right here. Did you guys see that? He stepped over the Jordana blush, so that's what we're gonna use. So for blush, my dogs picked out this Jordana blush in the shade 32 Rose Silk. And I just want to show you up close how nice this blush actually is. The highlighters here, starting off from this side. I have my Mary Luminizer, my AMREZY and Anastasia highlighter, Jeffree Star, Champagne Pop by Becca, and I have my Wet n Wild Precious Petal highlighter. Let's see which one they pick. And guys, I must say this is a difficult task. I've been here for 30 minutes trying to get them to pick an item. That's ridiculous. Here. You guys see that? Oh. AMREZY and Anastasia. This is my favorite highlighter. Lay down. Oh my goodness. He's such a good boy. Now for my favorite part of the makeup look is the highlighter. And you guessed it, my dogs picked my favorite one, the Anastasia times AMREZY highlighter. Let me open it up for you guys. Look at that. Beautiful. You ready for this glow? You ready? So the eyeshadow the dogs picked out the Jaclyn times Morphe palette, and I'm so happy they picked this out because this has, you know, a variety of shades. Beautiful. So I don't really know what look I want to go for today. So I'm just gonna start off the look with the shade Pukey. Next, I'm gonna deepen up the crease with this shade right here called Jada. with my Morphe E23. Look at that pigment. Okay, so for the outer corner, I'm just going to be picking up this deep green using my Morphe E28. Okay, so I like where this is going. It's a little bit, you know, greenish, deepish. Should I add some black is the question. I don't think so. I think I like where it is right now. For the eyelid itself, I'm going to use this shimmery green shade. And I'm just going to apply that with my finger. Woof. Okay, so I like where this is at. It's looking super smoky, super cute, super green all over. This green is nice. For the inner corner, I'm gonna apply this shade called Beam. Okay, so my eyes are done, and I was super inspired by my babies. They told me green, and green it was. So now for the lips, unfortunately, this clip of the video, my camera wasn't recording, which upsets me, but still, they actually picked out this ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the shade Pinkies Up, and this is the shade, and they knew I love a good nude. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. I definitely enjoyed doing it, even though I was getting so frustrated with them because they were being so difficult about it. So difficult about it. But I actually love how this look came out. I don't go for greens ever, but I think this looks beautiful, nice and smoky, you know, living that seaweed fantasy, cactus realness, and Hulk fantasy. So remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you, yes you, in my next one.